Hey, good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Toyota Sienna XLE. You can see it with either one of the key fobs. I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is a brand new rear entry conversion, bariatric 43-inch wide ramp, super wide ramp. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Got a handle on both sides for the ramp. How I work these clamps, they keep the ramp from rattling. I pinch and I flip. Super simple to do. Check it out. I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. Tell our customers, if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that 43-inch super wide ramp with ease. That's about 13 inches wider than a side entry. So if you're looking for a whole bigger chair or chairs, that 43-inch ramp might be the answer for you. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out of your van. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. But we do sell side entries. We have over 80 vans on our lot. We sell the full-size vans. We sell trucks and SUVs. If you don't see it on our website, talk to me about it. We've probably got it coming up, or we can find it for you. 1,000-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of room coming inside the van, and about 56 once you're inside the van. And this is the deep cut, designed to hold 2 wheelchairs at a time. That's why we have the 8 tie-down points in here. We do throw in the free upgraded Q-strength tie-downs at no charge to you. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no additional charge. We can also put a third row flip seat in here. They'll flip up and down, so you could haul 6 people, potentially actually 7 people in this van. So talk to us about your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. One of the awesome things on this van, well, not the spare tire, but that is pretty awesome. It's better than not having a spare tire. It's got the flip base seating, so you can see we can clear the entire canal. And then if we want to put the seats down to haul more passengers or a passenger, we simply pull forward on a little knob underneath here and get over the top here. Here we go, right there. Pull it forward, flip the seat down, and then deploy the seat up. So you can still potentially haul 3 people plus 2 wheelchairs if you got enough room between that seat. Or you can see when all the seats are folded down, you can get 3 back here, you get 5 people plus a wheelchair. So it allows tons of versatility, a lot of options. Super neat on these flip base seats. Now, got the nice center console for cup holders for your passengers in the second row here. I got all your plug-ins for your electronics. Got heated seats. You're not going to need those anytime soon, but they're nice to have when you do need them. More cup holders. The dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. You got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. The dual climate control, the rear air, the backup camera. Even got our moon roof up here. I'll show that to you in just a minute. And when you get everybody in, everybody's secure, you simply come back out. And we can shut all our doors up top in the center console. We can shut them right here as well. And when it's time to put the conversion away and get everybody secure, come back out again. 1 finger, check it out. Not gonna break on you like those power ramps and doors. Clamp it down, you're ready to roll. We have a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on our conversion. Now, a lot of our competitors are gonna tell you they have a better conversion than we do. That's fine, that's what they get paid to say. Like, what do you expect them to say, you know? I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are gonna tell you no warranty. A lot of them are gonna tell you 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some will say 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare that to our 3 years unlimited miles. You tell me who has the better built conversion. Tinted windows, got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. Got the alloy wheels. These tires are darn near brand new, just like the rest of the van, about 12,000 miles on them. They're Firestones. Got about 930 seconds of tread on all the tires, so they're dang near brand new. As I do a walk around of the van, you know, I'm looking for small dents or scratches. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you this van's perfect, but it's very clean. Like all of our vehicles, I personally hand select every single one of our vehicles, and I don't buy junk, folks. You hear me talk all the time, how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. How we do it, it's simple. There's no magic trick to it. It's low overhead. We're right here in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. Obviously, saves you money. The other thing is, I want you to imagine our competitors with 10, 20, 40, 50 stores. Imagine how much overhead they have every month trying to keep all those stores going, all those employees, all those utilities, millions of dollars a month. A month, not a year, a month. That's how we beat their prices by $5,000, $10,000 per van is our low overhead with our 1 store. So that's how you save money. Check us out. And no matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number. Why say that? Facebook Marketplace mainly. Facebook Marketplace, by the way, is the dirtiest place in the world to buy a vehicle. I'm not exaggerating. I'm serious. What they do is they take our pictures, They cut out my sign off the pictures. They'll put a van on this like on the internet for $25,000, send a $2,000 deposit to hold it. They are trying to scam you. They don't have this van. They're simply stealing pictures and trying to get you to send them money. Facebook won't stop us. It's ridiculous, but I don't get to decide what Facebook does. Say to them, I want a video of the VIN number. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I have this van and this VIN number right here in my possession. They can't do that because they don't have these vans. Get you a VIN, get you a picture, video of the VIN number. Protect yourself. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see your Carfax shows 1 owner, 6 service records. Last owner is a personal vehicle. It does show some minor damage. I'm going to show that to you. As we scroll down here, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show no total loss. This is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a 1 owner with a clean title. Carfax shows there's never been structural damage. Airbags have never deployed. Odometer's accurate. Shows minor damage. I'm going to scroll down to you, show you that right now. I'm going to show you the warranty. Carfax shows the vehicle went into service August 5th of 2020. So it meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Toyota until August 5th, 2025, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. As we scroll down, it does show in January 20th, 2021, so about 3.5 years ago. Minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. So I'm not afraid to buy a van that's had a bumper painted or a door painted. That's not a big deal. No frame damage. Airbags have not been deployed. Had a little paint work done to it. Not a big deal. And no matter who you do business with, check them out online. Find out their reputation and reviews. Look at us on eBay. 1,574 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I would definitely say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. On Google, make sure they are a real company. Check out their reputation and reviews. Look at our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, 326 reviews. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. Scammers can start a fake business with 3 or 4 reviews. Make sure they have a lot of reviews. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from private individuals, someone they knew nothing about, end up buying a vehicle, or from one of these low-end dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings instead of the 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a vehicle with a salvage title they weren't told about, major flood damage, extremely expensive engine, transmission repairs, you name it, I've heard it all. So if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences, you go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. We have the 2 keys, the 2 fobs. You got your keyless entry. As I open up the door here, you can see you got the leather seats. They are in excellent shape. Got the power leather seats. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors inside this van. I also like the push button start. If it's in your pocket, if the key is in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to fish it out. Just get in, put your foot on the brake. It'll sense the key inside the vehicle. Start it up, no problem. She's currently got a full tank of gas, no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. 12,880 miles. This is a dang near brand new vehicle. Folks, this vehicle brand new today would cost about 90 grand. Save yourself some money, buy a dang near brand new vehicle for $30,000 less. Got their backup camera there, great safety feature, and I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power, mirrors, and windows and locks, and I'm going to show you the mirrors and windows working. Mirror over there. We test the heat, air, belts, hoses, screws, suspension, steering, brakes. Taking these on a road test. Sorry about that. The mail lady came up and needed me to sign something, so I don't remember exactly where I left off. But we've checked out taking these on a road test, checked out the tires, replaced fluids as necessary. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and throw them on the lot like most dealerships do. These go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. And I hope you can tell, if nothing else, by our videos, we are very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood has a 3.5 V6 engine, idle smooth, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a well taken care of Toyota. Underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any rust from being up north, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, and no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures and it's low mileage, they assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, you know how many vehicles I see at auction that are brand new, they have flood damage? The dealers will get flooded vehicles, unfortunately for them, take them to auction, drop them off, sell them to the highest bidder, make them someone else's problem. My point is, do not assume things. Go check out my competition. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? They even get on hands and knees, even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage. So you can see no bent metal from an accident, no signs of any flood. They get up on the roof and show you that the roof has no hail damage up there, no holes drilled in it from being a taxi purposes before that. You know how many vehicles I see at auction that have roof damage, but the sellers don't repair the roof because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof, and you should too. So tell me what happens if you end up buying a vehicle that you can't get a title for, or you can't get it registered because it's got frame damage from an accident or a flood. In both of those cases, and in many more, you just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So to avoid those problems and many more, demand 4 things no matter who you buy from. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a handbag off Amazon. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars per month, but I get the Carfaxes because they're the most thorough VIN inspection report out there. I demand the best on a vehicle, a purchase of this magnitude. You better too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Don't be a lazy buyer. Sorry, some guy had to rev his car really loud, so we had to cut the camera off. It's always something downtown here, I tell you what. But third, don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. Do your due diligence, check out who you're buying from, and then finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, the van meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Toyota and the conversion warranty as well. And like I mentioned earlier, it does have a moonroof. And I always check on a moonroof if it has any water damage around the seals. None here, none leaking. This is a low mileage Toyota, they don't leak, but I wanted to show you also that the moonroof works as well. So, you know, when it comes to all of it, just please compare me to the competition. I welcome it, I enjoy it. Compare them to us, how thorough we are. Let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Sienna home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy. You'll see the steering wheel's nice and straight here, pop it up to 70 miles an hour here, pops up, good engine shifts smoothly, engine drives smoothly, engine transmission shifts smoothly. We even have our blind spot monitor. See the yellow over there? Let me know if someone's in my blind spot. A lot of great safety features on this Toyota. It's got the radar, the safety following distance to keep me a safe distance from the car in front of me when I'm using cruise control. So again, a lot of nice safety features as well. Do keep in mind, vehicle meets the specs to be under the factory warranty as well as the conversion warranty. And we do sell long-term extended warranties as well. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online. What they've hidden in the fine print's $500 administrative fee, document fee, tag fee, freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all of your hidden fees and the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about all these hidden fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, and none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. By the way, AC works great. I'm having to turn the fan down because I'm getting kind of cold in here, and it's 100 degrees out here in Wichita today. So great AC. And if you'd like to give us a call or preferably a text message, if you text us, anyone in the office can respond much sooner. Give us that text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to call or text me. Now I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you have to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Toyota whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We can take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And if you ever do want to come in and visit our entire inventory, we welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. We have 3 different locations. We keep vans. Help us get organized. Help us get your vans that you want to look at in the same location. Help us save time, which saves you money. Make that appointment. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase. I try to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures of every single van, all with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.